Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking off the Protec cover from our caravan as it's the new season. So come and join us. So today we're going to be removing the cover from the caravan. Now Protec can't only give you these when you buy a cover, so we're going to be using them again to remove it. And also we're going to be using a brush, and that is to brush it down before we take it off. So let's get on with it. Okay, so having now brushed down the cover, and we're quite happy that we've got most of the dust off it, we're now going to remove all the clips for all the straps that secure it underneath. Okay, so we've now removed all the straps and they're all accounted for and in the car safely. So what we're going to do now is remove this back section. And to do that, what we're going to do is pull the Velcro apart on either side at the rear and roll it up so it's secure. Okay, so having now rolled up the back, we've inserted the pole on either side, and we're going to lift the cover up as high as we can and then move it forward towards the front of the van. So that's how we remove and fold and put away our caravan cover from Protec. Now I think it's a really good investment, the Protec cover. Now they're not just for winter, you can use them in for long-term storage and also in the summer months as well. Now if you're interested in purchasing one, please click the link below or contact them on the telephone number that I'll also leave below. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you join us soon and throughout the season to come, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.